Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss about the very important subject for the first year BMS, that is Sanskrit Syllabus, presented by, of course, myself, Professor Dr. R. Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology. For paid online consultation or paid online classes, etc., you can definitely WhatsApp me on 922-6810-630. So let us start to discuss about the Sanskrit syllabus. So here is a Sanskrit syllabus of CCIM. You have the theory one paper of 100 marks. There are different topics. For example, Sanskrit Vyakarana Adhyayanam. Sanskrit Vyakaran, grammar of the Sanskrit. And there are nearly, you can say the 8 points are there. Saudhnya Prakarana, Vibhakti Arthaha, Sandhi Prakaranam, that is Sandhi Vichhedaha and Sandhi Karanam. Then there is a Shadalinga Prakaranam. Then there is a Dhatu Prakaranam. Then Vachya Prayogaha, for example, Kartari, Karmani, etc. Samasa Prakaranam, this is more important. And then the Pratyay, these are also very important. We are going to take the different videos on the different topics. And then there is next topic in the Vyakaran, that is Anuvad, from English or Hindi or from regional language to the Sanskrit. You have to translate those things. Then from Sanskrit to English or Hindi or regional languages all over the India. Identification and correction of grammatical errors in the given sentences. Then the next topic for the syllabus of Sanskrit is sentences for translation will be selected from the examiner from the under mentioned reference book. For example, Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. The next will be the Brihatrai, that is Charaka Samhita, Sushruta Samhita or Ashtanga Hridayam. Then Anuvada Chandrika. Then Sanskrit Ayurveda Sudha. These are the different books. Then Rachananuvad Kaumudi and Bhasha Sopan. These are the different 6 reference books from where the sentences or the paragraphs will be collected and that will be given for translation purpose. Okay. So this is part A finished. And now we will go for part B. There is a Bhasha Adhyanam of 50 marks. Vyakaran and translation is for 50 marks and then Bhasha Adhyayan for 50 marks. Stepwise method to study Ayurveda Arsha Granthas, Sushrut Samhita. For example, you have to study Sushrut Samhita, only Sharirasthan and only chapter number 4. I am going to make a separate video on Sushruta Samhita, Sharirasthan, that is anatomy, chapter 4. That is a 25 marks. So you must study this. Very interesting and this will be helpful for your subject of anatomy. This will be helpful for your subject of Shalya Tantra in 4th year BMS. Okay. Next will be Vaidyakiya Subhashita Sahitya. Vaidyakiya Subhashit Sahitya, only chapter number 1 to 10, 15 marks. I am going to make videos on this, all the topics. For example, Sushruta Samhita, Sharirasthan, you have to look for these videos. Vaidyaki Subhashit Sahitya and also Panchatantra Katha, that is Aparikshita Karakam, Kshapanata Katha Taha, Murkha Pandita Katha Paryantam, Panchakathaha. Only 5 stories you have to learn by heart and that is for 10 marks. Okay. So my dear friends, this is all about, you can see the Central Council of Indian Medicine UG first year syllabus. Here I am going to show you another PDF. Okay. Let us see. This is the book written by myself, Vaidya Rajendra Deshpande MD, CCIM New Delhi New Syllabus, Sanskrit. Then there is, in this book, we have written this book in Marathi. So this is very popular book in Maharashtra state of India for learning Sanskrit subject of first year BMS. Okay. So Sushrut Charir Adhyay 4, Vaidyaki Subhashit Sahitya, Panchatantra Parikshita Karakam, everything is given. But this is not written by myself. There is a Sanskrit expert, Mrs. Swati Dhamdere madam, She is a MA in Sanskrit and MPhil and B.Ed. And then Vaidya Yogita Jamdade madam, she is also MD from Jamnagar. And we three together have compiled this book for first year BMS. Here you can see the publication is Shantanu publication. Can you see Shantanu Prakashan? I can give you the numbers and you can bring or you can order online for this particular book in Marathi. So Sanskritam paper 1 100 marks. Okay. संस्कृत व्याकरण संज्ञा प्रकरण विभक्ति अर्थ संधि प्रकरण षडलिंग प्रकरण धातु प्रकरण वाच्य प्रयोग समास प्रकरण प्रत्यय प्रकरण अनुवाद. Okay, can you see? Then here सुश्रुत संहिता शरीर स्थान अध्याय 4 वैद्यकीय सुभाषित साहित्य chapter number 1 to 10. This book is in Marathi. पंचतंत्र अपरिचित कारकम कथा 1 to 5. Okay, संस्कृत व्याकरण अथ संज्ञा प्रकरणम सूत्र 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, अथ प्रयत्न. Then sutra 12 13 14 15 and 16. Okay, next is अथ विभक्ति अर्थः कारकम विभक्ति अर्थः प्रतिपदिकार्थम संबोधने च etc. कर्मणि द्वितीया अकथितम च. So these are the sutras 1 1 8 up to, can you see here? We will go further here 1 3 3. Then next will be the chapter number 3. This is संज्ञा प्रकरण. Then विभक्ति अर्थ संधि प्रकरण. Okay, यण संधि अयादि संधि. Then पर रूप संधि. Then सवर्ण संधि पूर्व रूप संधि हल संधि etc. Then I will make different videos on this all the topics of sandhis. Okay, next we will go further and I am just want to show you how the detail every point of the syllabus has been covered. Shadalinga prakaranam Swaranta Shabda, Vyanjananta Shabda. Okay. Then Dhatu Prakaranam, Lakarartha Vichar, Kriyapada Vichar. Okay. This is all about these things. Then we will go Vachya Prayog, Kartari, Karmani, etc. Samasa Prakaran, Samasanan Samas, Avyay Bhav Samas, Tat Purusha Samas, etc. etc. Then Bahuvrihi Samas. This is very popular for examiner. Okay. Next, Anuvad, Ruturajo Vasantaha, Deshatanam, Udyanam. We have given the different examples how the examiner will ask. Then this is about Vaidyakiya Subhashit Sahitya, Vaidyak Shastra Vijnaniyam, Vaidyak Samhita Vijnaniyam, Vaidyak Samhita Pranetu Vijnaniyam, Chikitsa Mahatma Vijnaniyam, Roga Arogya Vijnaniyam, Vyayam Vijnaniyam. This is very important topic. Vyayam, Pranayam, important topic. Snana Vidhi Vijnaniyam, Antah Bahya Shaucha Vijnaniyam, Jala Vijnaniyam, Panchatantra. Now next, last is a Panchatantra, last but not least, Aparikshita Karakam. Okay, there are Kshapanaka Katha, then Brahmani Nakula Katha, Lobhavishta Chakradhara Katha, Simha Karaka Brahmana Putra Katha, and Murkha Pandita Katha. My dear friends, I hope you like this particular video regarding the explanation of Sanskrit syllabus. So, this is the lecture of Sanskrit lecture for first year BMS CCM syllabus. We have discussed about detail about the syllabus. So I am very much thankful for your patience hearing and I wish you all the best for your examination for the first year BMS in the subject of Sanskrit. Then I request all of you to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I wish you all the best. Sarve pi sukhinas santu, sarve santu niramayaha.